Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be doing a detailed beginners friendly makeup tutorial using drugstore products, and in this video I'll be using L'Oreal Paris, Rimmel London products, Essence Cosmetics, Catrice Cosmetics, and Yardley London products. So I'm starting up with this Rimmel London eyebrow pencil to fill in my brow. It's a long-lasting pencil as well. After filling in, I use this brush to just soften up the starting point of my brush and also brush. Then I go ahead with this L'Oreal Paris concealer to clean my brows. It's actually a full coverage concealer and it's so good. I use a flat brush to clean my brows gently, as you can see. Then I go ahead with my foundation to clean the front part of the brows. I blend in the excess products and do the same on the other side, and also clean the top part. Cleaning the top part of the brows is optional, but if you want to clean it, you always use your foundation shade to do so it matches your skin tone. I blend in the excess and we move on to foundation. I'm using Essence Stay All Day 16 hours, where I mix it with a little bit of L'Oreal Paris True Match. L'Oreal Paris really is very lightweight. Meanwhile, Essence Stay All Day has more coverage than it. So I mix the two to get a lighter foundation and also a full coverage at the same time. Then I go in with this L'Oreal Paris concealer to highlight my under eyes, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, you know, the chin, like all the areas that need to be highlighted. And then I use this blush, lips and cheek blush from Essence Cosmetics. It's very pigmented. This is the blush brush. I use it to blend that in while allowing the highlighted areas to sit a little bit. Then I go in with the brush and just tap gradually. You blend that with very little pressure. Then I go in with my powder puff to just even out and also pick up any excess product. So I use this Baby Got Bronze from Essence to contour my face. Now I go in with Essence mattifying powder under my eyes before going in with loose powder. And for loose translucent powder, I'm using the one from Yardley London. Now after everything, I add a little bit of powder blush. Then I set my whole face using the smudge powder. It works well for me. Now I set everything using L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray. This is so good. You know, this setting spray is well spoken of. And then I add a little bit of eyeshadow, not too much. I use this palette from Catrice Cosmetics. And this set of lashes, I got them from Clicks as well. Yeah. Then I line my lips using the Rimmel London lip liner. This shade, I will put it below. And then this L'Oreal Paris red lipstick. Oh my god, this combo. So blend that in, and this is the outcome. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and until next time, see you. Bye.